Hey guys, welcome back to Nama Japan. I'm here today near Mitaka station and I made my way here because recently I got really flashed by a garlic Stamina Don that I had at Hyperfaton. You can actually read everything about that at namajapan.tv. I made a review about it and I was so flashed by this bowl that I got some recommendations that there's other stores that actually don't have this only as a special but have it as their regular menu. And that's what I'm gonna check out here at Suzuki, Stamina Ramen Suzuki. And they apparently have like a very similar bowl. Apparently even better than the special that I had at Hyperfaton. So I'm gonna go and check that one out and let's see what that's all about. So that was Stamina Ramen Suzuki. An outrageous bowl of ramen that basically feels like drinking straight up chashu marinating fluid. But it's fucking fantastic. It's really good. It has like a lot of sweetness and flavor from onion and garlic, as far as I can tell. It has like this kind of similar taste to a good goulash, I would argue, but without the paprika notes and with a strong shoyu soy sauce flavor that is very overpowering. But it's just so satisfying to eat and well balanced around the thick noodles, the fat that you can get on top, the pork back fat. And I got some quail eggs on the side, I got a raw egg on the side. Once you sit down, you will get asked if you want some garlic, and then you can get additional garlic, raw garlic I mean. You can get raw ginger, and you can get some more marinated pork back fat on top, and I absolutely recommend that. And overall it turns into this spectacle of flavors bouncing around in your mouth. It's just overall one of the best things probably I ever had. It definitely is right up my alley. I mean, you might not like it, but for me, this is what peak ramen performance looks like. Review 10 out of 10. Come here. You won't get something like this anywhere else. I think even, yeah, it might be a little bit better than the Gente at Hyperfaton, which is a little bit more in the paprika side, a little bit more in the chili side. But I'll definitely be back here and try all the other bowls that they have, maybe the spicy one. Yeah, I can recommend it. Make the trip out here to Mitaka, try this bowl. Yeah, you will like it, trust me. And that's all for today. Check out namajapan.tv for more reviews. Check out my channel, subscribe, and leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll most likely answer. That's all, and I'll see you in the next one.